Dear friends, today we start a new series, the what, why, and how. The episode 1 will cover one of my favorite topics, design thinking. What is design thinking? There is something common about the brands that you see here. IDEO, known as the design and consulting company. IKEA, which is famous for its innovative products. Airbnb, known as the new age hotel company, which just clocked 3.4 billion revenue in a pandemic year. IBM, the tech giant, and GE, the truly diverse aviation to renewable energy brand, and Lego, a brand that is popular with children and adults alike. So, what's common among all these brands? Yes, it is design thinking. Would you like to know about a new entrant to this space who started as a breakfast company? I would share about this brand towards the end of this video. So watch this space and let's move on. So what is design thinking? It's a methodology for creating and improving products, services, and experiences grounded by the needs of the user rather than the whims of the creator. It was developed by IDEO. It's considered as a process for creative problem solving and also seen as a solution-based approach to solving problems. It all starts with understanding of the people for whom we are designing. And please note, it's an iterative and non-linear process. The why of design thinking. Because empathy drives innovation to its best. It leads to better products, services, and internal processes. It's extremely useful in tackling problems that are ill-defined or unknown, also called wicked problems. And we all know today's problems are unique, complex, and fast evolving. The how of design thinking. Design thinking involves ongoing experimentation, sketching, prototyping, testing, and trying out concepts and ideas. The 5 stages are as follows. My favorite, empathize. We need to empathize with our users, then followed by defining the user's needs, their problems, and your insights, followed by ideating by challenging the assumptions and creating ideas for innovative solutions. Prototyping to start creating solutions and finally testing the solutions and repeating this activity till we get it right. Who all succeeded at design thinking? All the brands that you watched in the beginning, IKEA, Lego, and so on, they have been immensely successful by practicing design thinking. Now revealing the identity of the latest design thinking brand, my personal favorite, ID Fresh Foods. As you can see, the logo itself features 100% authentic. And as of today, they hold a capacity of producing 1.2 lakh kgs of idli dosa batter per day. This brand started in year 2005 by PC Mustafa with a humble capital of rupees 5 lakh. And guess what? The expected turnover in 2021 is just 500 crores. So what is the secret of success of this brand? As far as I can see, the strong empathy with their customer can be attributed to their success. And this brand also comes closest to the most environment friendly brand in everything that they produce. For example, the grated coconut and tender coconut water, which comes within the coconut. And one product that I would like to point out is the vada batter, and with which you can make vadas even as an untrained person and enjoy them. The innovative spout takes care of delivering enjoyable vadas. And the brand is expected to come out with many more products, one being the best honey in town. So do check out this brand, and I'm sure you would like them as a design thinking brand. Thanks a lot for being a wonderful audience, and we will see you soon with the next episode.